Hello there, this is Ron with Tailored Woodworking. Welcome to our channel. Hey, this is Ron with Tailored Woodworking. Welcome to the channel. For those that maybe saw the short about Walnut versus chainsaw, well, the decision is in, the chainsaw lost. And here we're at Lucky Nelson sawmill to cut up those logs of black walnut that have been sitting in the yard for a couple of months. Can't wait to get them cut up. As I had mentioned, the chainsaw lost, which means I cut one piece of the walnut and my chainsaw died. So I brought it here to Lucky Nelson's to be milled up, and had the opportunity to talk with Jeff at Lucky Nelson's, and he was very knowledgeable about milling wood and species and everything. He had very large inventory of slabs of all different wood species that are all for sale, and it was really nice talking to him. All this stacked wood that are future woodworking projects. Once a tree will be some sort of furniture or counter or something. Took some moisture readings on the wood slabs, and they're all above 20 as expected. Here's the grain of this walnut. It's really nice and can't wait to use it. Here's the wood all stacked up in my garage drying, and we'll be taking moisture readings periodically. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.